Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 4034 forbidden error on Google Chrome. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Then here you need to type this command. So just simply follow me. IP config space forward slash flush DNS. It's IP config space forward slash flush DNS. Hit enter. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now type the second command. NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Now it will state successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Then type here exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart the Windows. For the next method in the Windows search bar, type here ncpa.cpl control panel item under the best match. Click on that. Then here in the network connections window, you need to look for your connection. You could be connected to Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. Simply make a right click, select properties. Now the properties window will appear. Just simply click on the Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties. Then here you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on this. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, which is one of the greatest DNS. So type for the preferred 8.8.8, sorry for that, dot 8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and then close this and then close out of this window. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.